Okay everybody, thanks for tuning in again. Haven't put a blog on for a while, but what I'm going to talk about today is urine pulling and what urine pulling is about. Now it's very similar to what people know as oil pulling as well. So what is oil pulling? Process is roughly taking about a tablespoon of oil, usually organic sunflower oil, putting it into your mouth and swishing it around for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice a bit of a change and it helps pull out all the toxins. Well, the beauty of this is you can do it with urine as well. You'll find things start to change with urine pulling, and basically I try to do it about 3 times a day. I know it's kind of difficult, but if you're working and stuff, you might need to disappear, pee into a cup and so forth. So what happens with urine pulling? I usually do about 10 minutes. I pee into a cup, a small amount, hold it into my mouth and just swish it. It actually helps clean your teeth, gives a very fresh feeling. Within about 3 minutes to 4 minutes, you'll notice a change, and it actually gets tighter in the mouth as the mouth fills up with bubbles, and the texture of urine will change as well. You can't really taste it. It sort of bluntens the flavour a little bit stronger in the morning than sort of in the evening, and then of course at night. About 5 to 6 minutes, it gets a very lathery texture to it, and it starts to change in the mouth, and you can feel it getting thicker. Sometimes I have to spit a little bit out just to release the pressure in the mouth. And about 10 minutes, it is like soap. It is really thick and foamy and lustrous. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'll start off. I'm not going to wait 10 minutes. I'm going to have a shower and then we'll come back, because it's kind of, you can do it in the morning, have your morning shower and just basically go away. So first of all, we take a little leak. Excuse me. It's not apple cider or anything like that, so it's something that I wouldn't want to do. Just pee a little bit into a cup. Some people like midstream, some people use the first stream. It's purely up to you. Okay, so that's about how much I'm using. Roughly, it's not a big amount, down the hatch, and I'll do a couple of rinsing and then we'll come back after I have a shower and see the end result. So here we go.
Toothache, periodontal infection, or diseased gums. Rinsing and swishing by pushing and pulling the liquid between the teeth are very effective. Do this morning and night, minimum for about 4 to 5 minutes each time. I cannot impress upon you, however, you're not supposed to have silver fillings in your mouth. They are very dangerous to the very livelihood of your body. They're very toxic. They're metals. And the problem is that in a silver filling, it's amalgam. What is amalgam? 50% mercury. If you go to your doctor, your dentist, and ask him to take out that silver filling, he will be very, very hard set to do that, because once he pulls that out, he cannot just throw that in the garbage, or is not supposed to. He has to actually put that old filling in a biohazardous container and call a special processing laboratory to take it out of his office. It's very dangerous. Just the toxic fumes, once you eat and it rubs against the silver fillings, are bad. Now I'm telling you this because if you gargle with urine therapy, you will find that while you are doing this, within days, those teeth that have silver filling in it many times become loose. It seems as though the body understands, and with the urine, for whatever reason, it creates something that tells the body that this should not be within your body, and those teeth will become loose. So I would highly suggest that you go to a dentist and have them taken out. Otherwise, without question, in the future, you will have difficult, serious diseases.
It's like soap. 10 minutes of urine in your mouth, flushing away, turns like soap, cleans your mouth. Just rinse out, everything's good. It's making my teeth smell whiter. Don't have to use toothbrush. Don't have to use toothpaste 3 times a day. Just a little bit of urine, about that much. Sometimes it gets so bubbly, you need to spit a little bit out, and then you can just keep doing that until you've got enough in your mouth you're comfortable with. I do it when I'm showering. 2 minutes, finish showering, clean my mouth. Wonderful. See?